Hello students, today we are going to discuss about the neutralization reaction. In our earlier videos, we discussed about the strong and weak acid and bases, as well as we already discussed about the dilute and concentrated acid. In today's lecture, we are going to cover the neutralization reaction. So what is the neutralization reaction? Neutralization reaction. The word neutralization comes from the word neutral. Neutral. So what is the meaning of neutral here? Null. Means zero. Zero. So we can say that the substance which is not showing any property of acid, not the property of bases, we call them the neutral substance. So here water is a type of neutral substance. Salts are the neutral substance. So they are not showing any type of property of acid and bases. So let's take the definition of neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction is a chemical reaction in which acid and bases react quantitatively and produce salt and water. So what happens in this reaction? Actually, this reaction take place to nullify the effect or the effectiveness of acid or bases. Means here acid and base, they both get react. It means acid compress or nullify the property of base, or base nullified or show and decrease the property of acid, and the product we get is salt and water. What the product we get? Salt and water. And these both are the neutral substance. These both are the neutral substance. So what is happening here in the neutralization reaction? Here acid and bases both reacting. They are both reacting and they are producing salt and water. They are producing salt and water which are neutral, which are not showing any property of acid or bases. They are neutral. So here what is happening? Neutralization, neutral. The word is neutral here, means acid is nullified or show and decreases the effect of base, and base is nullify the property effectiveness of acid. So here we get the salt and water. So this is the neutralization reaction. So basically neutralization reaction in which acid and bases react quantitatively. So quantity here, quantitatively is very important. It means amount. Amount is very important. Let's see how. If we are taking HCl, so when HCl is an acid, hydrochloric acid, when this HCl dissolve in water, what happens? We know that it gives H plus ion and Cl minus ion in water. In water, it produces H plus ion and Cl minus ion. So here they produce hydrogen ion. And how many hydrogen ion is there? Only one. One hydrogen ion is present. So how many base it required to nullify or neutralize the acidic property? It required one OH minus hydroxide ion. It required one hydroxide ion to make it neutral. So whatever the property, whatever the product they get the neutral substance. So here what is happening? Hydrogen, one hydrogen quantitatively, here the word quantitatively means amount, that how much amount of acid you are taking, that much amount of base is required to nullify, to neutralize the reaction. So here HCl, one hydrogen ion is producing in the solution. So to depress or to nullify the property of acid, we require one hydroxide ion. If there is a two hydrogen, if there is a two hydrogen ion is present, then we require two hydroxide ion to nullify or for the neutralization reaction. So basically, neutralization reaction in which acid and bases react quantitatively, the amount should be equal. Amount should be equal. Then only we get a salt and water. The salt which shows neither the property of acid nor the property of bases. These salts are basically ionic compound. The salts are basically ionic compound. Actually, the salt is basically ionic compound. So what is ionic compound? The ionic compound in which there is an exchange of electrons takes place, like NaCl. Here Na plus Cl minus. So let's take example of neutralization reaction. So let's take one example. HCl is an acid. When it reacts with base, means base is here, we can take NaOH, that is your sodium hydroxide. HCl, hydrochloric acid, when reacts with sodium hydroxide, they give NaCl plus H2O. Here NaCl, the salt and water. They give NaCl and H2O. So this is a neutralization reaction. Now, our second topic, acidity. Our second topic we are going to cover is the basicity of acidity. It's a basicity of acid. It shows that how many hydroxide ions required to neutralize the acid. It shows how number of hydroxide, it's a hydroxide, that is OH minus ion required to neutralize the acid, that is hydrogen ion. So it shows the basicity of acid means the how many hydroxide ions, how many base hydroxide ion required to nullify or neutralize the hydrogen ion. So let's take one example. If there is HCl, so when HCl dissolve in water, it produces H plus and Cl minus ion. Here one molecule of HCl is there. So how many hydrogen ion is produced? H1. Means one hydrogen ion is produced. So how many hydroxide ion we need to neutralize them? We need one hydroxide ion. So the basicity of HCl is 1. Now let's take the next example. H2SO4. When H2SO4 dissolve in water, what happens? It produces H plus and HSO4 minus in first step. In second step, this will come here HSO4 minus and they produce H plus and SO4 2 minus. In second step, they are producing again one here H and one. So how many hydrogen ion produced? Here 2, total 2. So how many hydroxide ion we need to neutralize them? We need 2 hydroxide ion. to neutralize H2SO4. So the basicity of H2SO4 is 2. So here the basicity of acid means how many hydroxide ion need to neutralize the effectiveness of acid. So in this form we get, if there is a 2 hydrogen ion is produced, so we need 2 hydroxide ion. So here the amount is very needed. The molecule, how many molecule of acid is present, that amount of bases we should take. Then only that reaction, we get a neutralized reaction. Now, second, we are going to study about the acidity of base. Now here, acidity of base. It means number of, it shows number of, let me erase all this. Acidity of base, it means how many hydrogen ion needed to neutralize the base. Means how many hydrogen ion needed to neutralize hydroxide ion. It means number of hydrogen ion required to neutralize the hydroxide ion produced by base. So it shows that how many hydrogen ion required. It means, let's take one example, NaOH. Here NaOH is one molecule of NaOH is here. Sodium hydroxide, when they dissolve in water, they give Na plus and OH minus ion. So how many minus ion we are getting? 1. So how many hydrogen ion we require? We require 1 hydrogen ion to neutralize this base. So in this form, the acidity of NaOH is 1. So how many number of molecule is present on the base, that much of amount of molecule of acid needed to neutralize it. So this is called the acidity of base. Thank you so much.